Good morning, class 8th student. Today we will continue our chapter first of computer. Yesterday we have discussed with you what is networking. Now in today class we will continue with the topic advantages of networking. Computer network increases efficiency, effectiveness and economy in an organization. Organization means company. Now what is the role of computer network? Computer network increases the efficiency. The outcome, the productivity is increased with the help of networking. Effectiveness, the effectiveness is also increased with the help of networking. And economy is financial related matter that also increase with the help of networking. Now, what are the advantages of networking? First point is preserving information. When there are several standalone computers, it is difficult to keep a backup for each of them on a regular basis. See class, when there are so many computers are there, it is very difficult to keep the record of each and every computer. But in this case, a central location serves as a more convenient means useful option where there is just one place to look for information. But when we are doing it with the help of networking, the data backup can be taken with single points from that will help to reduce its cost. Second is effective use of storage media. Second advantage of networking is effective use of storage media. Storing a shareable version of document on a network drive is more convenient option than to copy the file to each individual system. Again same thing class, when we have to use the file, it is very difficult to keep the file on each and every computer. So what we will do, we will keep at one place and we will share it, and that will help us to use the effective use of storage. A big hard disk is a server provides more efficiency than several small hard disks in each single computer. See class, when they are single computers, they are having the hard disk of their own but when we are keeping the data in big hard disk, it is quite easy to manage the thing. Third advantage is reduced hardware cost. A network enables the sharing of device such as modems, full form modulator, demodulator, scanner, which help us to scan the thing, printers. Since these devices are used by various computer, sharing reduce the expense. Yesterday I have given you the example that a single printer is there which can serve the useness of 4 or 5 computers which are connected in a network. Now you can see, when single printer is doing the work of 4 or 5 computer, that will reduce the hardware cost, and this is the one of the most important advantage of networking. Next is efficiency. A network enables the modification or upgradation of data or software at a single point only. What we are doing? We are modifying the data, we are updating the data, then we are doing at one point. Again same thing class, there are 10 computers connected in the network, we are just taking the backup, we are just modifying any software to that, we have to do 10 times. But when those 10 computers are connected with a network, we have to do that thing single time only. Thus efficiency and effectiveness are enhanced. Enhanced means improved. Then we can say that efficiency and effectiveness of network also improve. Now class, next point is redundancy. Redundancy means repetition. The need of hard copies of document are nearly eliminated. Eliminated means removed in a computer network. See class, when we are doing the work with networking, the hard copy work is totally eliminated. Eliminated means removed. Soft copies of the file can be shared over the network, and therefore paper copies are not required. See example, I will give you the example of our school system. You are having the planner of your class in school app. So now when you are having the planner in your school app, that is a soft copy. So you don't require the hard copy. In this way what happen? The paper cost is also reduced. When you are able to do the work with soft copy of planner in your, which is there in your school app, that stop the work of paper copies. Now last advantage of networking, quick document delivery. Through network we can instantly मतलब quickly deliver the soft copies of the information from a computer to another across the world. Now see class, suppose we have to send any document to another computer. With the help of networking, it becomes very easy to send that document. Now we will keep our class with this topic only. Stay at home and stay safe. Thanks.